In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Claude to Supabase. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Claude account. And on the bottom of the page, where you see the display icon, you're gonna click on it, and it's gonna go to settings. Now, on the settings, you can either search for connectors in the search bar, or um, we can go to customize header and click connectors from there. Now here we're gonna look for Supabase. Since we can find it here, we're gonna click on add at the top right. We're gonna go to browse connectors. We're gonna type Supabase here. Supabase, yeah. So we're gonna click on Supabase. We're gonna click on the plus sign, and here it's gonna allow us redirect us to Supabase. We're gonna authenticate with our email and password, and we're gonna authorize Claude to access our Supabase. Now this should redirect us back to our Claude account in a few seconds. And here, once we go back to connectors, we can see under the connectors, Supabase has the check mark on its status. Supabase status is check marked. Now that's how to connect Claude to Supabase. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.